Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Amazon Associates account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Amazon Associates account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Amazon Associates and make a search. It will display your search results. Scroll down and tap on Sign Up link. It will take you to the official page of Amazon Associates. To create an account, click on Create a new Amazon account. Enter your first and last name, your email address as well as password you want to use for your Amazon account. Your password must be at least of 6 characters. Tick mark on Show Password option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and then click on Create your Amazon account. It will send you an OTP code for your email verification. Enter your OTP code sent to your email and click on Create your Amazon account. On the next page, enter your account information. Make sure you read the information and instructions properly before you fill the form. Type in your payee name, address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, your city. Type in your state, province or region, zip code or postal code, your country and phone number. Choose who is the main contact for this account and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your website link and tap on Add. Choose the suitable option between Yes or No and click on Confirm. Enter your preferred associate store ID, content you create, how you got to know about Amazon Associates, and enter the characters shown in image. Agree to terms and conditions on Associate Program Operating Agreement by clicking on or tick marking on the box and tap on Finish. This is how you can sign up for your Amazon Associates account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.